Cheese. Kai, do you want more?
No.
Are you all done? More or done? More done? You're more done? Want some more cereal? Done? We eat only healthy things like Frosted Flakes. They're great. Look at Mama. Hi. Hi. Can you say hi? Hi, Mama. Bye. Bye.